Today we're going to talk about the best medicine for heart health. Various researches done on this particular herb with proven results when it comes to reducing high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, as well as for pure fat loss. Often when patients start consuming this medicine, they observe a boost in their energy levels along with results in their main condition, because of which they've started consuming this particular herb. Let's watch this small video first.
He's back to having a lot of energy, which I was concerned about with the diet. But he has a lot of energy. He's happy and talkative again. So it's great to see his personality coming back shining.
So before starting an Ayurvedic treatment, patients feel that if I do the Panchakarma, I may have complications, I feel weak, nothing like that. When done properly, you see a good amount of boost in your energy levels. Today we're going to talk about the various benefits of this herb, dosage, its best way of consumption, and for your day-to-day problems, how you can make the most of this medicine and get recovered immediately. Make sure you watch this till the end. Namaste everyone, welcome back to Jyovis. We're talking about Terminalia Arjuna. We call it as Arjun in Ayurveda. It has a lot of synonyms, a lot of different names. I'll add those names on the screen so you can get more information. Arjun is a herb that is found almost throughout India, commonly on the river banks. Let's first focus about the main part of this video. Arjun is Kashai Rasatmak. It is astringent in taste. If you've seen our videos, you already know herbs that are astringent in taste have stambhak karya, which means they have to stop properties. Stambhan karya, which means for diarrhea, for bleeding disorder, bleeding gums, for excessive bleeding during menstruation, for vran, which is wounds, ulcers, conditions where bleeding is present or there is a lot of discharge. For those conditions, Arjun has the best results. Let's talk about the excessive bleeding during menstruation or for female problems to be specific. So Pushyanuk Churna, a commonly used classical Ayurvedic medicine since 5000 years, is helping patients, women who have painful periods or vaginal discharge, foul smell, foul discharge, or they have the urinary tract infection, they have excessive bleeding during menstruation, uterine fibroid, because of which there is excessive bleeding. For all these conditions, Pushyanuk Churna is having good results. Why? Because Arjun plays a huge role in that medicine. There are various medicines from the Ayurvedic dentistry for Dantarog. Like, let's talk about bleeding disorder. Arjun, Vacha, there is the Khadir, Vasa, Vidang. All these herbs, they are commonly used because of its stambhak karya. So many formulations like the gum tone powder or the krish gum paint, Arjun is present, which has a huge importance. So all these benefits of Arjun. If I have to explain you what is Arjun well known for, so it is said as Prabhav, special effect as Rudya, which means on the heart. It acts as a beautiful cardiac tonic. Various researches done on Arjun as a cardiodepressant activity, uses in the stable chronic angina, uses as a antibacterial and antifungal activity. All these researches done where it was proven to reduce the high blood pressure, high cholesterol. It is giving strength to the heart. It has various enzymes, various vitamins. If we talk about the chemical constituents, the bark of Arjun, it has the calcium, magnesium salts. The bark is rich in coenzyme Q10, which helps in reducing high blood pressure. For those with recurrent urinary tract infections, Arjun has the best results. In spite of all the medicines, all the treatments, antibiotics, if there is a person who's taken all the different treatments, still has the urinary tract infections, the burning, the pain while urination, and all these infections, when used Arjun, they see a long-term result in their overall condition. So all these are the benefits of Arjun. The dosage is 3 to 6 gram in powder form. If we talk about the decoction, then 50 to 100 ml once or twice a day is the dosage. Arjun, for the medicinal purpose, its bark is used, which is called as Arjun Chhal. In the market across the globe, Arjun Chhal Churna or Arjun Chhal is commonly available in any of the stores. Talking about the best way of its consumption, you can either make a decoction which is 100 ml water, 10 grams of Arjun Chhal or Arjun Chhal Churna, boil it, make it half, strain the liquid and consume around 20 to 30 ml once or twice a day. Let's talk about the best time. It is 30 to 45 minutes before breakfast, before dinner. The ultimate way of consuming Arjun is the Arjun Sheer Pak. Same process as we spoke in the video of Rason Sheer Pak. You can take 50 ml of milk, 50 ml of water and 10 grams of Arjun Chhal or Arjun Chhal Churna. Boil it, make it half until the water is evaporated and you just see the milk in your container, in your vessel. So boil it, make it half, strain this liquid and consume around 25 to 30 ml 30 to 45 minutes before breakfast, 30 to 45 minutes before dinner. This is the ideal dosage of Arjun. It is always best to consult an Ayurvedic practitioner. If you plan to consume Arjun for long term, more than 6 months, more than a year, it's always best to get a call done once to see whether it is best for you or not. Its contraindications: if your blood pressure is low, if your diabetes, if your sugar levels are really low, then you should not consume Arjun. Again, if a lady is pregnant, they should use Arjun, but under an authentic Ayurvedic gynecologist's advice, because a Garbha Sanskar Tadnya or an Ayurvedic gynaec can advise a lot more things for healthy pregnancy, smooth delivery, and overall a outstanding journey during pregnancy. These are the important points when it comes to Arjun. There are various formulations of Arjun like Arjun Arishta, Prabhakarvati, Ayaskriti syrup, there is Pushanup Churna, where Arjun plays a huge role. It has a lot of importance. If you have any doubts, if you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below. Do like this video, do share it further. Until next time, from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.